everyone, I'm Jajani and today I'm going to talk about a skincare routine for oily skin in the morning. Now I have oily skin myself and I know the struggle behind it. So today we have a special guest who is going to help us find the perfect skincare routine for oily skin. But before we get into the routine, let's talk about the causes first. Why do we have oily skin? Well, it could be genetics, it could be hormonal changes and environmental where you live, or it could just be your lifestyle choices of foods, medication, and wrong skincare routine. And while you can't really change your skin, you can definitely make your skin less oily by following these steps. Let's go. Number 1, cleansing. Start with a gentle water-based or gel cleanser to remove dirt and oil to open pores. This is an important step if you have oily skin. Number 2, toner. Apply a toner to help cleanse pores and balance skin pH level. It prepares the skin for other products. So think of toner as a primer for other skincare products. Try a gentle exfoliator in the morning with glycolic acid or salicylic acid. They help regulate sebum production and unclog pores. Number 3, serum and/or moisturizer. You can use both or just one. It depends on your skin and what works best. Serums deliver active ingredients into the skin, working as a treatment, like spot treatments, brightening, things like that. For serum, try hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin and benzoyl peroxide to help with oil control and prevent breakouts. Then apply oil-free, water-based moisturizer. Having a good moisturizer is super important because it helps the skin to produce less oil. A lightweight moisturizer is a must. And lastly, number 4, sunscreen. Extensive UV exposure can lead to enlarged pores, so apply a sunscreen before you leave the house or before you apply your makeup. Try using sunscreens that are oil-free and mineral-based. For sunscreen, try looking for a sunscreen that has zinc oxide in them. Alright, I hope you guys found this helpful. Comment down if you have oily skin and let us know what products you like to use. Let's help each other out. That is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!